Hello students, I am Jay Patel from Vasis Vidyalaya and I am going to teach you 10th standard physics. Students, let's continue with our lesson number 13, magnetic effects of electric current. Students, in my last video I have discussed about activity 13.3 and in this video I am going to teach you activity 13.4. So students, its aim is like that. It can be asked two way. The first one is that to show that the direction of magnetic field due to a current is dependent on the direction of the current, or it should be asked like that way also. A simple electric circuit in which a straight copper wire is placed parallel to and over a compass needle, the deflection in the needle becomes opposite when the direction of the current is reverse. So this is the aim or question of the activity. It will give in the question paper, so you have to describe that particular activity. So in this video I am going to teach you this activity 13.4, and after this activity I would like to discuss certain questions and answers based on this activity, and at the last I am giving you some homework. So let's continue with our this activity 13.4. So this is you can see it in the textbook. It is given like that way. This is our 13 point activity. It is given on 226 page number in our textbook. So students, now you are able to know that how you have to write if this activity will come. So you have to write in this particular format: aim, second is material required or materials required, the third one you have to draw the diagram, then you write the procedure step, then you write the observation, and you finally write the result. Or sometimes observation and result should be you have to write in a one way. So let's continue with this activity number 13.4 given on page number 226. So this is the aim of the activity. So just I will repeat it again. So how it should be, you have to write the aim, whichever the question is given as a format of aim you have to write. Any one question is given in the board question paper, so you have to write that particular question in that answer sheet like this way. Aim, first one, to show that the direction of the magnetic field due to a current is dependent on the direction of the current. Or it should be asked like second way, so you have to write that aim of the activity like that way. A simple electric circuit in which a straight copper wire is placed parallel to and over an compass needle, the deflection in the needle becomes opposite when the direction of the current is reverse. So it means that whatever the question is given, that you have to write as a aim form. Then students, second, which for performing this activity, which apparatus are or which materials are required, so you have to mention that apparatus or materials. So for doing this activity, so copper wire is required, 2 or 3 cells should be there. It should be 1.5 volt, or you can write a battery of 5 volt is required. Plug, key, compass. So these are the apparatus of this activity. These materials are required to perform this activity. Then next, you can draw the diagram or you can write first procedure. So here I have just first tell you how to do this activity, then I will show you the diagram of this activity. Here the two diagrams are there. So I already told you in certain activity there will be only one diagram, and in certain activity two diagrams are there. So based on the activity, aim of the activity, you have to draw the diagram. So I will be continue with the procedure. So first step, how to perform this activity. The first step is that take a long straight copper wire, 2 or 3 cells of 1.5 volt each, or we can say a battery of 5 volt, and a plug key. Then we have to connect all them in a series as shown is given in figure 1. So we have to take it means that we have to take all the materials and we have to connect all these things in a series way. So second step, place the straight wire parallel to and over a compass needle. It is given in the diagram like this way, and you can see it here. So this way, this is the straight copper wire, just orange type of wire, you can see it here at the right hand side. So and you have to keep over this compass, and then afterward third procedure, that plug the key in the circuit. So you switch on, it means that switch on the circuit and observe the observation. So what is observe here, that fourth number, observe the direction of deflection of the north pole of the needle if the current flows from the north to south as shown as given in the figure. The north pole of the compass needle would move towards the east. So that is the observation it here, students. So let's understand this 3 to 4 step. So first means we have to connect all these apparatus as soon as given in the figure. Now students, suppose you have to keep the compass above this wire here, and you see that the north pole of the compass needle. So suppose it is in the north side. You can see that here in this north side it should be written. Now this was the before the circuit is on. Now afterwards we have to switch on the circuit. So when we will switch on the circuit, so current can pass from positive terminal to negative terminal of the battery. We are knowing that thing. So when it pass that thing, so when it pass from nearby the compass, so at that time compass needle got deflected towards the east side. It means that students, you can see that direction of this here is north one. Now when current pass from this direction, so it moves from north to east side. So I just this direction, north to east side, this direction it should be deflect. So that is the first observation. So that way we have to understood. This is the one way. Now then after continue with this procedure, next step, then fifth number point of this procedure is like that: replace the cell connection in the circuit as soon as given in the figure second. Replace the cell connection means what? Here you have to students change the terminals. Now you can see it here. Here plus minus is this way, it should be attached in the circuit. Now here reverse the direction. So here minus plus, you can see that in the minus plus. So this is the figure B. Then this would result in the change of the direction of current through the copper wire from south to north. And last step of this activity, so sixth one is that observe the change in the direction of deflection of the needle. So here in both the case we have to observe the direction of the needle. Already we have discussed about the first case. Now students, here we have to reverse the direction of the battery. Earlier it was plus minus, and here also here it's a minus plus. Now what is the meaning of this? So current can flow from positive terminal to negative terminal of the battery like this way. It is in reverse direction. So students, so earlier first we have to do like that way, that we have to connect all these apparatus as soon as given in the figure. But just here terminal of the battery, you can see that that positive to, see the direction, it positive to negative this way, it should move from the right hand side. Now then when you switch on the circuit, so current can flow from positive terminal to the negative terminal of the battery. Now here earlier we have to keep the compass in the north direction, same as we have kept in the first case. But here we have changed the direction of the battery. Earlier it was positive left hand side. Now here positive terminal is right hand side. So compass needle deflect towards the west side. So just I repeat it again. Here you can see that compass is in north direction like this way. Now students, when current can pass, it should be deflects towards this west direction, this side. I repeat, when it pass current from positive to negative terminal, you can see it in the circuit, it should be compass needle deflect towards the west side. This is deflect west side in the case B. In case A, just I repeat it again, you can see it here. So this is positive left hand side, negative right hand side. So it should be deflect towards the east side. So you can see this side, east side. So it means that when we'll change the terminals of the battery, so direction of the compass needle get reversed. So this is the activity 13.4. That way we can understand. Here when we change the terminal of the battery, so it should be deflect towards the west side. So you can see it in the compass also. This is the figure here. This is the west side, and here it should be deflect towards the east side. Earlier it should be in the north direction like this way. So this is the first figure. In first figure so it should be deflect towards the east side, and in second figure it should be deflect towards the west side when we change the terminal of the battery. So this way we can understand this activity. So finally we have to write the result or conclusion. So we can write like this way. In the first case, so in figure number A, it means that the needle moves in the east direction, and in the second case, in B case, the needle moves or deflects in opposite direction towards the west side. So this direction of magnetic field produced by the electric current is reverse. So this way we can complete this activity. Now students, let take certain questions based on this activity. So question and answer. So first question is that on what factor does the direction of magnetic field depends? So direction of magnetic field depends upon the direction of current flowing through it. So in which direction it should be current is flowing, that direction it's depend, that particular factor. Now students, second question, what is the combination of plug, key, wire and cell? How it means that it should be connect. So here the combination of plug, key, wire and cell is connected in series combination. Third question, what would be the direction of compass needle if the current flows from north to south pole? So north pole to south pole, if current pass, what is the direction of compass needle? So answer is that if the current flows from north to south pole, then the direction of compass needle is towards the east. And next question student, what would be the direction of compass needle if the current flows from south to north pole? So answer is that if the current flows from south to north pole, then the direction of compass needle is towards the west. So that way we can discuss this activity and these certain questions based on this activity. Now finally homework is that you have to write this 13.4 activity in your notebook in a particular format: aim, apparatus, diagram, procedure, conclusion and result. So I hope students you understand this activity. So thank you very much for this thing.